High voltage sign, AI in energy, optimizing efficiency and sustainability. Left magnifying glass, introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the energy sector, enhancing power generation, distribution, and consumption to be smarter, more efficient, and sustainable. As global energy demands rise and the shift toward renewable sources accelerates, AI-driven solutions are playing a pivotal role in optimizing energy systems, reducing waste, and improving sustainability efforts. From smart grids and predictive maintenance to renewable energy forecasting and carbon footprint reduction, AI is reshaping how energy is produced and managed. This article explores the key applications of AI in energy, its impact on efficiency and sustainability, and the future of AI-powered clean energy solutions. Battery 1. AI in energy generation and management, small blue diamond, A, smart grids and intelligent energy distribution. 1. AI-driven smart grids use real-time data to balance electricity supply and demand dynamically. 2. Machine learning algorithms predict energy consumption trends, reducing power outages and grid failures. 3. Automated grid management enables utilities to respond efficiently to fluctuating energy demands, improving reliability. Small blue diamond, B, AI for renewable energy optimization. 1. AI enhances solar, wind, and hydroelectric energy by forecasting weather patterns and adjusting output accordingly. 2. Wind turbine efficiency is improved through AI-based angle adjustments and proactive maintenance. 3. AI-powered solar panel optimization detects inefficiencies such as shading, degradation, and faults, ensuring maximum energy yield. Small blue diamond, C, predictive maintenance in power plants. 1. AI-driven predictive maintenance prevents system failures by identifying potential issues before they escalate. 2. Advanced AI models analyze sensor data, equipment performance, and environmental conditions to improve power plant efficiency. 3. The use of digital twins, virtual replicas of physical infrastructure, allows for accurate simulations of operational performance and maintenance needs. Seedling 2. AI for energy efficiency and sustainability, small blue diamond, A, AI-enabled energy consumption management. 1. AI-powered smart meters provide real-time insights into energy usage, helping businesses and consumers cut unnecessary consumption. 2. AI-based home automation systems optimize heating, cooling, and lighting, adapting to occupancy patterns and weather conditions. 3. Industrial AI applications enhance manufacturing efficiency, reducing waste and cutting carbon emissions. Small blue diamond, B, reducing carbon footprint with AI. 1. AI helps track and analyze carbon emissions, enabling companies to implement more effective sustainability strategies. 2. AI-powered carbon capture and storage, CCS, technologies enhance the efficiency of CO2 reduction efforts. 3. Machine learning models optimize supply chain logistics, reducing energy-intensive transportation and distribution costs. Small blue diamond, C, AI-driven energy trading and demand forecasting. 1. AI improves energy trading strategies by analyzing market trends, price fluctuations, and demand projections. 2. Automated trading platforms optimize energy purchasing and selling, maximizing efficiency and reducing costs. 3. AI-powered demand forecasting helps utilities anticipate energy needs, ensuring supply stability and minimizing waste. Crystal ball 3. The future of AI in the energy industry, small blue diamond, A, AI and decentralized energy systems. 1. AI will facilitate peer-to-peer energy trading through blockchain and smart contracts, allowing communities to share excess energy. 2. Decentralized microgrids, powered by AI, will optimize local energy generation and distribution, reducing dependence on large power plants. Small blue diamond, B, AI nuclear fusion and next-generation energy research. 1. AI accelerates research in nuclear fusion, helping scientists develop methods for clean, limitless energy generation. 2. AI-driven material discovery and battery innovation will lead to more efficient energy storage and distribution solutions. Small blue diamond, C, AI for sustainable policy and climate action. 1. AI assists governments and energy firms in crafting data-driven policies that promote renewable energy adoption. 2. Predictive models simulate the long-term effects of energy regulations, ensuring optimal economic and environmental outcomes. Pushpin, conclusion: artificial intelligence is playing a key role in reshaping the global energy landscape, making it smarter, cleaner, and more resilient. From intelligent grids and predictive maintenance to renewable energy management and carbon reduction, AI is revolutionizing how we generate and use energy. As AI technologies continue to evolve, they will further enhance energy efficiency, drive cost reductions, and accelerate the transition to a sustainable future. The future of energy will be defined by AI-driven automation, predictive intelligence, and decentralized renewable solutions, ensuring a cleaner, more sustainable world for generations to come.